Today I will be making very famous recipe which is called Aloo Bhaja in Bengali, and the Bengali people will have this recipe almost every 1 or 2 days in their house. So before we start this recipe, I would request you to please like and put a word in the comment as Jai Sri Ram or Radhe Radhe. So श्री गणेश करते हुए I will start this recipe, which is Aloo Bhaja. We'll be cooking this recipe in Arogyam cast iron cookware from Sanat Nagar. So stick together and we'll tell you from where we purchased and who is the owner. The owner of this Arogyam cookware is Ruchika Rathi. And we have heated the Arogyam cookware on full fire in the cooking range, and put the oil, and the oil is steaming like anything. In this condition we'll be putting the kalonji. Kalonji is spluttering, and we'll be putting the potato, which is cut into matignon, small mastic shape potato, and all the potatoes will put in the square, and we will cook this potato until golden, and in between we'll put the seasoning, we'll put the green chili, we'll put the julienne onion, and we'll put turmeric, and we'll cook this sometime open, sometime closed with the lid, and this will take minimum 14 to 15 minutes of cooking time. Until then, we will increase the fire, sometimes we will lower the fire, and in this, when there is no masala added to this potato, we will be cooking this at full fire. We have added the salt, 2 or 1 teaspoon, 2 half spoons to 1 teaspoon put of this salt, and 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, and now we'll stir it. The cooking time is 15 minutes. So after this, if any water is there, we'll try to avoid the water by keeping open the fry pan. And when we check for the doneness during that time, if it is not cooked, we'll close the lid. So this is the basic formula for cooking potatoes. Cooking potato on the oil, it will take 10 minutes, not more than that. Or when you boil so thin strips of potato, it will take max to max 6 minutes. So now we are cooking this in the Arogyam cookware, ensuring that the color comes golden. So we'll be stirring this with the rubber spatula, and we have to spread the potato evenly all over the cookware, so that it takes the color of golden. It should shallow fry the potato from all around. I've added the green chili and covered the lid on the Arogyam cookware. Why we are showing Arogyam is this is very healthy, and the people, we cook the potato or any vegetable, and it will have some ions from the iron, and this will not only help to cook the better, and it doesn't have chemical onto it, so that it will affect the health. This is pre-seasoned cast iron. So let's cook till this is done. See how beautifully the potato is non-stick, and it is natural non-stick, pre-seasoned natural non-stick. It will give a better taste, better health, and lot more. So guys, please have this purchased for your family. So we are covering Fit India movement because India is my mother country and I want all Indian people to be healthy and living. I'm a very big fan of Indians all over the world and Sanatan Dharma. And always while cooking we should say Annapurna Annapurne Satapurne. So when Annapurna is there for while cooking, he will make it wonderful, tasty food. So everything is getting cooked with Jayasree's hand. It will be so tasty. She always prays to the Lord, and in ISKCON, what they do is they will say Krishna, 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 Hare Hare, and they will cook all the food. And by the time they cook everything afterwards, it's so tasty, so amazing, because Lord have given the taste to that particular dish. So always, whenever we cook, always remember to be happy from inside, and we should cook in such a manner that whoever eats will have a good health and wonderful day, and they should help at least all the Indians. This is my thought process of making any food, and you can see how beautiful the curry is. This potato fry is looking, and this is basically Matignon cut potato fry. And if please like and give a comment so that the algorithm understand that we are interacting with each other, and it will reach a better audience and better support. Before it get monetized, it is just a 3-month-old channel. Please like it, and I've added some more little seasoning so that, and I'm putting coriander powder, cumin powder, so that the flavor increases. This is the basic of cooking is Aloo Bhaja or the Matignon cut stir-fried potato. This is on oil. See how beautiful it is looking. We'll be eating this particular Aloo Bhaja with mixed millets of jawar and some ragi flour and other millets, 4-5 millets mixed in, and this will be eating with Aloo Bhaja and Indian chai, which is again without milk, because milk is having A2 milk only we should have, not the other way. And we are promoting only Fit India movement. So let's see how we finish it and eat it with the mixed ragi millet chapati, which will be smearing it with ghee, and it's so wonderful. You should definitely come back and give a comment and post some comment, because this is very, very healthy and this doesn't spike your sugar level if you have diabetes also. Have natural food, as many as possible. Eat chapati, which is made of ragi or millets, and definitely it will help all the people who are growing, the farmers who are growing the millets. And Telangana is number one in growing the millets till now. And this recipe is ragi is available all around the Telangana, and one of our diet, two diet can be had with ragi or mixed millet. This is the recipe given. If any doubt, please go through it and come back. Arogyam cast iron also showing that. We'll give you the link in the description from where you can purchase the Arogyam cookware. Bye bye for now and see you in the next video. Tata.